Oh man, this is terrible. I'm gonna be going back and forth on this. Wrong floor. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, guys, we are back. I know it's been a whole month. Today is February the 1st. It's a Tuesday and it's snowy. It's 5:44. I'm starting kind of late. But man, there's so much slush everywhere, man. God damn, I gotta be careful now. I don't know how I'm gonna pass. Holy shit. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get to the Danforth. Hopefully it's busy. The map was showing that it was busy. It's actually my first time coming out since the beginning of January, pretty much. So let me get in here. Should I go that way? Nah. But yeah, hopefully it's busy today. I'm only gonna stay out for like 3 hours until like around 8 o'clock maybe. So let's see how it is. Yeah, I told you guys that I was gonna vlog while I was in Ottawa, but when I got there, well actually I emailed the company before I got there to like rent out a bike, and they weren't renting out bikes, and I wanted to get an electric one, obviously, because I don't want to be riding around with a regular bike in the snow time, in the winter time. But yeah, they said that they weren't renting out bikes, so I was like, fuck, I guess there's no Uber for me, so I didn't do anything when I was there, guys. So we just got a pickup for Yanaji Sushi for alright, just making sure. Oh my god, bro, you guys seen this? Oh man, this is terrible. I'm gonna be going back and forth on this. Oh, my shoes. Yeah, this is... Ooh. Fucking hell. You're in the bike lane, lady. Fucking hell, man. Alright, guys. Just arrived here. Fuck. Gotta go in here real quick. Alright, you guys see how much snow is over here, man? It's crazy. Alright, this is like a 20-minute order, so it should be done quick. Hi. Just this one.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh. And it is tough riding down like these streets right now with the snow, because like literally the snow that's from the main road is being pushed onto the bike lane. So like every time I run, I'm obviously I'm on the bike lane, and there's like snow all over the bike lane, so I can't even see the lines. I can't see anything, you know, as you guys can see. And then like it's super sketchy, you know, like you gotta go like super slow on it, or else you're gonna slip. That's how I feel like I'm gonna do. Like I feel like I'm just gonna slip if I hit like the worst bump or something, or like I don't know. But yeah, like it's super sketchy right now, not gonna lie. But yeah, we should be there in like 1 minute for this sushi order, so let's get it. All right guys, we found the building. Let's get in here for our first order. Hey guys, just accepted an order for Dave's Hot Chicken for $7, so we're gonna go straight there right after this. So yeah, let's go deliver this sushi first, and then we're out of here. Wrong floor. All right, guys. So I actually declined that Dave's Hot Chicken order because I noticed I got another order on top of that, and I noticed that it was going downtown, like this order that I'm getting right now for $8. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just decline both of them because I'm not really trying to go downtown. You guys already know how I feel about going downtown, but especially now when it's like the snow is on the ground and everything, like, bruh, I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna try and head back to the Danforth, and hopefully we get some more good orders over there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the Danforth. Let me just show you the snow that I'm talking about. Like, see how I'm on the bike lane right now and there's a bunch of snow right here? That's pretty much how it is, like going up this whole street. And I'm like, bro, I can't do this. Like, I'm gonna have to go onto the road and then pretty much watch everything. Like, I gotta be more attentive and everything. So it's kind of risky, not gonna lie. It is kind of risky. But yeah, we should be on the Danforth soon. So I'm planning on staying there and north from there. Hopefully the roads are better up there, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll catch you all soon. Look at this, bruh. I can't do nothing over here, bro. This is why I haven't been doing Uber lately, because like I've been back for like a week now pretty much, and it's been snowing like almost every day. There's been like snowstorms and everything, and so I'm like, bruh, I can't do that. I said I was gonna do it before it started snowing a couple months ago, but I'm like, nah, there's no way. Especially with these tires, not gonna lie, these tires are kind of sketch. The one on my bike right now, but I don't know, man. But yeah, catch y'all soon. Look at this, bro. This is too much. There's no bike lane, bro. It's literally only cars can pass by. But anyways, we're almost at 500 subs, so thank you guys very much. I think when I left my house, we were at like 488 or something like that. So thank you guys for subbing. Continue like, commenting, and sharing. If you are, I'll try to answer the questions that you guys send me as best as I can, but sometimes I can't. But yeah, thank you guys for supporting. Let's get back to the video. I actually have a shout out for, fuck, I forget the guy's name, but he completed 100 trips in Toronto, so I'll shout him out after I check, which is gonna be in like 2 seconds. But yeah, we're on the Danforth right now pretty much, so I'll catch y'all in a bit. Link in the description if you guys do want to use the referral code. You get $200 in your first, what is it, 50 trips or something like that. So that's the offer that they're giving you guys. But actually, yo, there's a promotion going on right now. I think if I complete like 35 trips before February 7th, today's the 1st, so we got 6 more days. We get an extra $300, so 35 trips, $300, not too bad. It's better than nothing. But yeah, catch y'all soon. Made it onto the Danforth now. All right, guys, so we got like a $5.50 order at Danforth Dragon Restaurant. So let's go pick it up. It's for like less than 10 minutes. That's why I picked it up. So I was like, why not? It's not too busy right now anyways. Today's a Tuesday, so let's get it. Got here pretty quick, so hopefully the food is ready. Let me park my bike right here. All right. And the food is definitely not ready.
Actually, I'm not trying to push it, but I was here for best you are busy. I didn't say it. I'm already here for like 10 minutes. Would you see me running a little bit faster? Because I can't really stay all long. I want to stay, but because it helps.
I think these two are mine. Or, yeah. I think D2A. This is the second one, right?
Yeah, D2. Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Let's get it. He was saying that he had to wait for a long time. Mine were already ready, so that was great. All right, guys, let's get it. Oop. So we got a $7 pickup at Shir-e Punjab, and it's going towards the east side, so not too bad. That's great news, so let's get it. Hopefully I'm going the right way here. Alright, let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so this restaurant is just up here. Let's get it.
It will take around 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, even if you were nervous.
No way. That's a lie. You know it's gonna take at least 15 minutes. It's Indian food. So I'm declining that. But yeah, let's get it. There's no way I'm waiting 10 minutes. And I had another order actually that I could have stacked up on top of that. See, if I accepted that one, then I would have waited, but nah. See, I'm already getting another order right now. Pantheon restaurant, should I do it? Not for $5. So we actually got to pick up at Courier. I got to make a U-turn real quick. Oh, damn. Fuck. I thought I was gonna make it, but now I won't. These cars coming. But yeah, I gotta make a U-turn real quick. It's for $6, so not too bad. And yeah, it's also not going too far, so let's go pick it up. Alright, so I just stacked that order, so we have to pick up two orders at Courier, so I added another $2 on top of that, so this is an $8 order, not too bad, for about like 20 minutes of work, I guess, and plus the tip and whatever. But yeah, let's get it. Fuck, man. Hey, I have two orders for Sandy and Colleen.
Uber, right?
Yeah.
P5C15.
Yep.
And the other one was 24AC3.
Yep.
There you go, man.
All right, thank you. Alright guys, let's check out the first one. Let's get it. It's taking us downtown. Why is it taking us downtown, man? All the way to King Street. Anyways, I guess I can see how the roads downtown are. Maybe I'll go downtown later this week or something, but man, why is it taking me so far away? That's kind of weird, you know? Especially when it's a double order, it's supposed to be close. So I don't know why it's doing that, but let's get it. Jeez, views. Oh man, I think she's right here actually. Alright guys, I didn't film that one because she was just waiting outside and I was like, bro, should I lock my bike here? Because there was no buzzer number. And bruh, I'm getting these good ass orders right now. Hold up. Cups of coffee, should I do this one? I feel like I should. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Alright, let's get it. For 10 bucks? Hell yeah. I just gotta figure out where this place is and what I'm picking up. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I gotta pick up at Cops Coffee and Donuts for 10 bucks, and I gotta pick up 2 things. Let me just see. The hot box seller, whatever that is, and frozen donut. I think it's donuts. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. It's not gonna fit in my bag. I tried. My first ever pickup was Krispy Kreme, and that shit didn't fit in my bag, so I don't think I'm gonna do this one. Damn, man. And I'm like, I was excited and everything too. So we gotta pick up at Mary's Variety. I always get good orders here for some reason, but yeah, this one's for like, and it's a convenience store for $6 and I think 50 cents, and that's not going too far either. I'm not gonna get a good tip from it, but shit, for the distance that I'm going and the rate of the trip, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, the convenience store is right here, so whatever it is that they ordered, it should be ready. These guys are usually fast, so let's get it. Thank you. Yeah. Man, so I was wrong. I thought this order was going towards the Danforth, and it's going back downtown where I didn't want to go. So it's all good though. Should be there in about 7 minutes, and my battery is dying, so I gotta switch it out once I get there. But yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Just realized we're going to the same building that we just left. So that's a coincidence, but at least this time they left our buzzer code, so I gotta go upstairs. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in 2 seconds. I think it's right here, so let me just turn real quick. I thought it was in there at first, but then nope, it's up here. Hopefully no one takes my bike, because this is the worst area actually. Yeah, I decided to bring it inside because I don't want to leave it outside. There's not too much places I can leave it in there. And yeah, let's do it. Lock it up. Guys, just got finished with that order for the Mary's Variety convenience store. Just want to give a quick shout out to Tarek for completing 100 trips using my referral code. So shout out to Tarek, you know who you are probably. So yeah, thank you. All right, guys. So we actually have a $7.42 pickup at Alibaba's on Broadview and Danforth, but these guys always take so long, man. I swear, you guys will see when I get there. They're gonna be taking their sweet ass time, bro. But hopefully the orders are ready. This guy can't hear me, but yeah, hopefully the orders are ready when we get there. But damn, bro, these guys always take long. And someone else also commented on one of my videos saying that they're never gonna get back there. They're never gonna go back there because like they take too long, bro. So we'll see how it is today. They shouldn't be that, oh, actually I don't know, maybe they are busy, but we'll see. Catch y'all guys in 2 seconds, just up this hill. Just made it. Gotta take my bike through here. The stores are closing up. It's almost 8 o'clock, guys, so see, there's someone, these man's already here waiting, bro. They're taking their time. Like I told y'all. Oh, shit, man. There's already 3 people in there. I already feel like I want to cancel. Oh, surprisingly, they actually didn't take that long. I didn't even want to film because I was like, yo, these guys are going to be in here for too long, but all right, we got to go 15 minutes away. Let's do it. Hey. All right, have a nice night. Should I do this one? Yeah, I probably should. That's in town. I think this one is probably gonna be the last one. I gotta go to a Dupti place. Where is this restaurant, bro? I gotta go on Google for this one right now. But yeah, this is most likely gonna be my last one. I forget how much this one. I didn't even see how much this one was for, but I'll show you guys after we pick it up. But restaurant is only like 4 minutes away. But yeah, guys, should be there soon. I'll catch y'all in a bit. I just gotta go over here to this left. This guy almost threw a cigarette at me by mistake, obviously, but damn, looks fucking busy. Holy. Hey, I have 2 pickups for this. 2? Yeah. Alright, thank you. Alright. Alright. Guys, just arrived. Just gonna leave my bike out here, right underneath the camera, which is right there. So I gotta get my lock. Got here like pretty decently quick, so that was pretty good. Thank you. So just delivered that one, bro. This buzzer was so ass. Like every time I would click the one number, it would dial like some next number. It would just add like an extra number for some reason. But some lady was there and she opened the door for me, so I was blessed. But we gotta go 6 minutes away, guys, and that's not too bad. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be the last one, then I'm out of here. So yeah, let's go do it. All right, guys, just finished up that last order. Didn't get to film actually because guy was waiting for me outside, which is perfect. I didn't have to lock my bike or anything. What is this challenge for out of 10? 8 out of 10. I gotta check it out. So let me see, what is this? What's this quest? Oh, 2 more orders to make $25 extra. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So let's get back on the Danforth, get some small orders, and we should be good. Man, forgot to press record, but yeah, I picked up a $4 order thinking that I was gonna get another one because Thai room I usually get double orders, but I didn't end up getting one by the time I got here. So yeah, now I've accepted a fucking $4 order. Now I gotta go not too far away actually, so it's not even that big of a deal. All right, guys, I'm gonna just leave my bike in here. Upstairs. All right, guys, so we got another $4 pickup at Popeyes. It's actually not going too far this time, so that's blessed. And it's gonna be my last one for the day, so let's go get it. Then we can earn this extra 25 bucks, and that won't be too bad. I think it'll be 10 trips over, I think 100 bucks we'll touch, so for like 3 hours, I guess. Or actually it's almost 9 o'clock, so just a little bit more than 3 hours, but still not too bad. But yeah, let's get it. Guys, just arriving at Popeyes. Let's get in here. Yeah. Hi. I got a pickup for Victoria. Thank you. All right. So we gotta drop off right here. Hello. Okay. Have a nice night. Alright, that's it. Let me show you guys. There's actually another quest to complete another 10 trips, but I'm not gonna do that. But so far we've done 10 trips for $112, which is not too bad at all. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Referral code is in the description if you guys want to use it, and I'll see you guys next time.